Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, Taurus, I will be picking few cards. If you want a more detailed reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading, Taurus. So that will follow this daily energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, Taurus. So in your situation, in your career or in your personal life, you are seeing some changes in your situation, some inevitable changes coming in your life today, guys. Something that is worrying you a lot, changing the way you are, changing your life, changing the way you think, changing the way you are emotionally and spiritually. But these changes are something good, something it may appear as something chaotic, worrying today, but it is necessary to bring that growth in you guys, to bring that positive growth, that positive push. That is what these changes are here for. So you may not see the value of these changes now, but you will know its worth at the right time, guys. And today you are working with someone closely in your career situation or in your relationship. You are finding out what is right for you in this love and what is right for that person, and whatever is that situation you have, you are trying to find that balance in this connection, and you have a passionate, deep connection with this person, and maybe you are struggling to find that balance in this connection. There are some changes happening there too, but these are some positive things. Maybe you may have some troubles in love, but these troubles are necessary to bring out that true nature, your true nature and this person's true nature in this connection, guys. So you will have a better understanding. You will know what this person is, because you are a very honest person. So you will clearly perceive your situation today, guys. So these changes are just changing the way you are and changing your love forever. So that is what I see with these cards, Taurus. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile you want to choose, you can close your eyes, think of your situation for a few seconds, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. That way that reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, let's start with the first card. So this is your first card. I will keep this card aside. So I will pick few cards from this deck. So let's see what is coming up with this deck, guys. These are the cards. So any questions or any doubts you have in your situation, you can think about it, guys, and I will see the cards and we will start the reading now. So it is Nine of Moons, the Empress, and Ace of Suns in reverse. So it may be in your situation, guys, someone, it may be a woman, it may be your close friend, or it may be your sister or mother, who has that true concern on you, love for you, and they are coming to help you. They are offering help, supporting you. Maybe they are helping you in this connection, bringing that understanding between you and this person. And she is a very kind and compassionate person, and they are influencing you in a positive way in this in for this relationship. Or this may be your person, this may be the energy, their energy. So they are influencing you in a very positive way, so for all the good things. So this person is giving you valuable suggestions, guys, what you need to do. And maybe they are suggesting few things because certain things are not going right in your situation, guys. So it may be some difficulties in your business, or some difficulties in your personal life, maybe some illness, or it may be some financial situation in your career. So they are giving you valuable advice and support for that. So things are not going so well in your career, maybe for some of you, and this person is helping you out. And I also see that your problems are getting solved because of the way they are helping you, and you're proceeding towards success in your life, guys, success in your situation. And you have that clarity in your mind today because of this person. So with their help, you are able to clearly identify what is the reason for troubles and how you can rectify it. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So that is the reading with these cards. So let's see what is coming with these cards, the other set of cards. Here we have a few other cards to pick from this deck for the second deck. So for those who have chosen this deck, let's pick few cards. These are the cards, guys. So any doubts or any questions you have in your mind, you can think about it, and I will open these cards now. So let's see. It's Magician, Six of Fire, and King of Earth. I hope you can see the cards here. So in your situation today, guys, you have excellent skills and talents in your life, but you may be having some intuition about certain things. So when you are with this person, you may feel a particular way. You're in your heart of hearts, you may have some guidance what you need to do and what is your next, what is the right direction. So when you have that intuition, you should listen to it, guys. And maybe when you are with this person, or maybe even alone, you have overwhelming feelings in your heart. This connection is simply inspiring you towards better things in life, guys. So you have that trust on this person, and this person is influencing you in a very positive way. So all the good things that are there this connection is pushing you towards that. It is bringing out your skills and talents, and your reputation is growing in other phases of your life, facets of your life, maybe in your career or in general. When people see you now, they feel that you have changed so much. You have become more cheerful, confident, and skilled and talented. You are showcasing your skills and talents, and your reputation is growing. And you are what to say, a very compassionate person. You have that trust and faith on this person, and they also have that trust and faith on you. And you have that humility in your heart. So maybe with this person you have that what to say, that mutual love, respect, caring. So that may be the reason this connection is working for you guys, because of that kindness, compassion you have for each other. And this connection is influencing you in a positive way towards a greater growth in your life, in your career, and in your emotional state, in your spiritual state. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So that is the reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.